I had been home brewing kombucha for about 7 years before I decided to take on the inspiration of the kombuchery.
We've actually had our SCOBY culture in our family for about 15 years. I found out my wife was pregnant and I was looking for a way to make positive impact in my life, positive impact in my neighbors in the community. And so when I stumbled across my brother's amazing skills for brewing kombucha, it was kind of like a light bulb went off.
My brother and I realized that we had to make the whole process a lot more regimented. So in 2018, we rented our first space, started building it out, and sold our first soft kombucha in March of 2019.
Sean and I's mom is an Ayurvedic practitioner, so we were also inspired by her growing up. When you're drinking kombucha, you're not only getting all the good tea antioxidants, you're getting the polyflavonoids that exist in the tea, you're getting a whole bunch of healthy acids, you're getting probiotic bacteria. I think what sets NC Kombuchery and Gold Vibe products apart is the fact that we do whole fruit, whole herb fermentation. So while a lot of other kombucha companies are using, fresh pressed juice, we choose to allow the fruit and herbs to ferment in the kombucha the entire way through. It really pulls and extracts all the flavors and nutrients from all the ingredients into the kombucha in a way that's really embedded in the product.
You're getting all of the natural enzymes and the vitamins that might be lost when you're just juicing a product.
NC Kombuchery started really just as a local kombucha company. We were hand bottling, self-delivering. I mean, as small of a company as you could imagine. Now we're distributed pretty much Northern California wide. And yeah, it's just been a pleasure to be able to expand our products just outside of Nevada County.
I had originally started brewing in quart-size mason jars. And now today we have 5 primary fermentation tanks that total about 10,000 gallons. And from there I have 10 secondary fermentation tanks for all of our hard kombucha that's about the same capacity.
NC Kombuchery was inspired by community and our desire to bring a healthy product to our community.
Somebody would pick up a can of NC Kombuchery over other kombucha, hopefully one because of the artwork. They're beautiful cans, they're very fun to look at and appealing, and then they would quickly realize after opening the can that it's the best on the market.